All right, today we're breaking down a very real blueprint for becoming a millionaire with AI. And this isn't just some theory, okay? This is based on the actual success of an expert who's generated over $7 million, and it's designed for people, probably like you, who are starting from absolute scratch. This quote right here really says it all. The big takeaway is that this incredible opportunity isn't just for the tech wizards anymore. It's for anyone, even if you have zero technical background, who's just ready to jump in and take action. This is about using a powerful new tool, not about writing complicated code. So, where did we get this blueprint? Well, it's pulled directly from the experience of an entrepreneur who's built multiple AI businesses that have brought in over $7 million. So yeah, this isn't just a nice idea, it's a proven high-revenue model that we're about to lay out step by step.
The whole journey is broken down into 3 pretty clear phases. First, you start by building a side hustle. Then you scale up what's working. And finally, you expand into a real industry empire. It's a clear path from zero to potentially hitting that millionaire status.
So let's dive into phase 1. The mission here is super focused. It's not about becoming a millionaire overnight. Nope, the first goal is actually way more important. It's about winning your freedom. And that freedom, it has a number. The target for this first phase is $10,000 a month. That's it. That is the first major milestone on this journey. We call this your freedom number, and I love that term. It's that exact amount of income that lets you walk away from your 9-to-5 and go all in on yourself and your own future. It is a powerful, life-changing goal to aim for. So how in the world do you actually get there? Well, the vehicle is something called an AI automation agency. Now, I know that might sound a little intimidating, but trust me, it's really not. It's basically just a simple one-person service business where you help other non-techie businesses start using AI. And the best part, thanks to all the amazing no-code tools out there now, you don't need a computer science degree to do this stuff. The whole strategy for this first phase really just boils down to answering 3 simple questions. Once you have the answers to these, you have your entire plan of attack to hit that freedom number. First, what do you sell? You really only need to master one of these 4 proven beginner-friendly systems. A speed-to-lead system basically responds to new customer inquiries instantly so your client never misses out on a sale. A booking agent can handle appointments automatically over WhatsApp or text. A social media DM agent answers common questions on Instagram or Facebook 24/7. Or even an AI receptionist that can answer phone calls. All of these are services that local businesses desperately need right now. Next up, who are you selling to? And this is the brilliant part of the strategy. You're not targeting tech companies, you're targeting the most AI clueless businesses you can find. Plumbers, roofers, home cleaners. To them, the simple AI systems we just talked about seem like absolute magic. And finally, how do you get clients? Well, the math is refreshingly straightforward. Your goal is to land just 4 clients. That's it, 4 clients, each paying you $2,500 a month. That gets you to your $10,000 target. And the fastest way to do this as a one-person business is with a simple, smart, cold email strategy. Okay, so once you've hit your freedom number and you've quit your job, congratulations, you enter phase 2. You've just unlocked 8+ hours every single day, and now it's time to get serious and really scale this business. What's really interesting about this phase is the crucial mindset shift you have to make. You stop being a founder who's just a hustler trying to get things started. You become an operator, someone who takes the one thing that's working and builds an efficient, well-oiled machine around it. And to build that machine, you're going to pull 4 key levers. The first one is you got to raise your prices. See, with a few clients under your belt, you're no longer selling a promise, you're selling a proven result. This is when you can add a setup fee, maybe something like $5,000 up front, which seriously helps your cash flow and filters for more serious clients. Lever number 2 is to systemize your proof. Your amazing results are worthless if you can't show them to new prospects. So your new obsession is turning your results into undeniable proof. We're talking video testimonials, written case studies with hard numbers, social proof that you can just plug directly into your marketing. The third lever is all about pouring gasoline on what already works. You take that cold email system from phase 1 and you make it 10 times more powerful by injecting all your new case studies and testimonials. Your outreach is no longer a cold pitch. It's a confident presentation of proven results. And the final lever, this is the biggest unlock of all, building your team. This starts with a digital team using AI to automate your own processes. Then you make your first human hire, typically a technical person to handle the client work. which frees you up to focus 100% of your energy on growth. So once you've built that machine and you're consistently hitting $50,000 a month, you are ready for phase 3. This is where you move beyond just having a successful business and you start building a true empire that can scale far, far beyond your personal effort. There are 3 big strategic plays to make this happen. First, you delegate sales by hiring a salesperson. Second, with your new free time, it's your full-time job to build a personal brand. This is so crucial because becoming the known authority in your niche means high-value clients start coming to you. And third, you monetize that new authority. And this slide really breaks down the 2 paths for that monetization. Path A is to go deeper with your agency, offering really high-ticket, comprehensive services. Path B is to go broader by packaging your expertise into a scalable info product, like an online course, that you can sell over and over and over again. The true power, though, comes from combining both paths. A perfect example is an entrepreneur named Nate Herc, who started with this exact blueprint. By combining his agency services with his info products, he now generates $300,000 every single month. I mean, that is the potential of this final phase. So that's the path, from a side hustle to a high-growth business to a multifaceted empire. The blueprint is all laid out. Let's quickly recap and then think about your next move. It's a simple, repeatable formula when you look at it this way. You start by building that side hustle to hit your $10,000 a month freedom number. You scale by becoming an operator to reach $50,000 a month. And finally, you expand by building an empire to hit $300K a month and beyond. The crucial point is this. The map has been drawn for you. The vehicle, AI, is ready and waiting. The route is clear. The only question left to answer is, where do you want to be in 2 years?